This is Harley. She came in to us. She was hit by a car and she had a badly broken leg. You can see it's a little bit deformed. We were lucky enough to have the donation money to have it properly repaired. It had to be, she had to have surgery and she had to have a pin put in her leg. It's since then healed up nicely. She can walk on it. She does walk with a limp, but she can get around. She's happy to kind of hang out by herself or with her friend Waylon, who you saw previously. All right, so this is Chopper. He's a 6-year-old Beagle Foxhound mix, and he was surrendered by his owners because they were moving and couldn't take him with them. He's an excellent dog. He's good with other animals, good with cats, good with other dogs. He loves kids, likes to play, likes to give kisses. He just recently had a little surgery on his ear. He had a little bubble there, so he had to have that fixed, and he had some dry fur, skin irritation on the back. So he's got some shaved back here, and he's currently on some medication for that. Other than that, he's a happy, healthy dog. Adoption for our dogs is $140. They're all spayed, neutered, vaccinated, heartworm and Lyme tested, and microchipped before they go. Again, there is an application process if you'd like to give a call. Come down and see Chopper for yourself. Just give us a call, 508-679-6446. Make an appointment to come and see what we have here at the shelter.